For making these earrings, take the embroidery floss, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it. We will be doing a total of 10 chains. In the second chain from the hook, we will do a slip stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in the next chain. We will do 1 half double crochet in the next chain. In the following chain, we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches, followed by 3 triple crochets in the next chain. In the following chain, we will do 2 double crochet stitches, followed by 1 half double crochet in the next chain, and in the following chain we will do 1 single crochet, and in the remaining chain we will be doing a slip stitch. Work on the other side of the chains, the pattern will be just the same. We will complete this round with a slip stitch and then chain 1, cut the yarn, weave in the loose ends, add the jhumka with the jump ring, add the fish hook and the earring. For making these beautiful hoop earrings, we will take the embroidery floss, make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. We will slip stitch around the metallic hoop, followed by chain 1, and start doing single crochet stitches around the hoop. We will do a total of 30 single crochet stitches in this manner. And at the end we will do a chain 1 and cut the yarn, and we will weave in the loose ends. We will take a red colored thread, pass it through the needle. We will stitch the loop beads one by one in each and every stitch. So one single crochet stitch will have one bead. So the blue and red color are giving it a very beautiful look. At the end, when it's done, just tie a knot at both the ends of the thread and stick the loose ends with fabric glue, and our earrings are ready. For making these danglers, take embroidery floss, make a magic circle at first with it, do chain 2, 3 double crochets in the magic circle, followed by chain 2 again, slip stitch in the magic circle, and the first petal is done. Chain 2, 3 double crochets in the magic circle again for the next petal, and then chain 2 again and slip stitch in the magic circle, and the second petal is done. In the same manner we will do 3 more petals, and at the end, after the last chain 2, slip stitch in the magic circle, followed by chain 1, cut the yarn, pull the tail of the magic circle to close the magic circle, weave in the loose ends of the flower, make another flower, join them with jump rings, add a fish hook, and the earrings are ready. For making these beautiful earrings, take 20 strands of embroidery flosses, take another embroidery floss of different color, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it. We will slip stitch around the bunch of embroidery flosses in this manner, followed by chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. We will do total 25 single crochet stitches around these embroidery flosses. Keep the stitches close enough and tight also. We will fold the two ends of the tassel and join them by doing a slip stitch around them, followed by chain 1, cut the yarn keeping a long tail, and we will wrap it around the tassel like this. Stick the loose end with fabric glue like this, and we will cut the extra portion of the tassel with scissors. We will make another similar earrings and attach fish hooks, and earrings are ready. For making this, take a bunch of embroidery floss, take another one, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it, and slip stitch around the bunch of the embroidery floss, followed by chain 1. Do 10 single crochet stitches around the bunch of embroidery flosses, and at the end do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. We will do the second round. For that, take another yarn and slip stitch in the first stitch of the last round, followed by chain 1. Place the second bunch of embroidery floss on top of the yarn and do 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch of the last round around this bunch of embroidery floss, and repeat it, that is 2 single crochet stitches in each and every stitch of the last round. At the end, do a chain 1, cut the yarn. Do the third round in the same way, slip stitch in the first stitch, followed by chain 1. Place the third bunch of embroidery floss, do 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch around the bunch of embroidery flosses, and repeat it till the end, and at the end do a chain 1 and cut the yarn and cut the fringes in equal lengths. We will be making another one, and we will attach the fish hooks, and the earrings are ready.